नमस्कार, I am Dr. Lakshmi Shankar Kushwaha from Kanpur. You are most welcome, sir, madam and friends. Today, I would like to share a valuable information regarding prestigious Indian Institute of Advanced Study, Simla. If you have a dream to be a part of this prestigious institution for research program, or you wish to get admission of your son, daughter, your student, this information is going to be more and more important. The Viceroy Lodge of Simla is known as Indian Institute of Advanced Study, where more than 300 research scholars have been studying for advanced level of research pertaining to various research programs. I personally visited 2 times Simla. First time I went with my family members and I was just like a tourist. Then with the all tourists, I was informed all about the information by the guide of the Sansthan. During my second visit, I met the admin officer of the institution and purchased 2 books published by the institution. Regarding this institution, I would like to submit also the information, which is it was set up in 1964 by the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and started its functioning since October 1965. Here, various research programs are offered. Mainly, there are 3 categories of research level program. Number 1, humanities. In this category, A, art and aesthetics, B, comparative study of literature, C, study of religion and psychology. In second category, social sciences, A, development studies, B, comparative study of political institutions, C, socio-economic and socio-culture formation in historical perspective. In third category of program, natural and life science. In this category, number 1, state policies for science and technology, B, science, technology and development, C, methodologies and techniques. In addition to the above programs, some international levels of programs have also been designed in this institution. For the admission process, there is a tough process for getting admission. Post PhD candidates are offered for admission on the basis of test, interview and recommendation of the VCs of other universities. In brief, PhD program must be cleared for getting the admission as per my knowledge. For latest update, you may kindly go through the website of the institution, or you can make a call to the ADM officer of the institution. Telephone numbers of various authorities have also been provided in the website. Research program are for from 6 months to maximum up to 2 years. There is excellent discipline. Pin of silence is being observed. There is also a big library and having more quality books. More than 450 journals from prominent scholars are available here. As per my knowledge, more than 80,000 books are also available in the library of the Indian Institute of Advanced Study, Simla. The published books and other study materials is available for the students as individual and for other universities. If any university or degree college wants to get the benefit of the higher education and output provided by the Advanced Institute, Simla, one can take the help from that institution. I went personally and purchased 2 books for study. You may also visit the website of the Sansthan for detailed and updated information for placing the order for study material after contacting on phone. I hope that you will appreciate my this information regarding the institution. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.